I took what they gave me and went way farther. I conquered every obstacle and every hurdle. Looking through a lens might think my life perfect. God gave me a gift and it came with a purpose. Merge madness out until it go. Jump back in my bag, this one for the culture.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy P back with another one, man. Today, man, we installing the new exhaust system. You feel me? Monster exhaust system. You feel me? Yeah. With my boy One, finna get ready to break this junk down. Y'all see it though. Ain't just a slip on either, man. Ain't just a slip on either, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get all the plastic and stuff off. And yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned for the whole video, you feel me? As y'all see, we got all the plastic off, except the back plastic. You ain't really gotta take this off. But and we also got the pipe off. Got both of the pipes off. And with the pipes on the stop muffler, all you gotta do is really just take this off and then take the little bolts off the back. They connect to the back and they just slide right out. But this is how we got. I mean, this is how far we got so far. I'm gonna pick it back up when we got the pipe in, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm really finna get out starter without no. Hey, you think they just gonna do something for us?
Something not good.
Huh?
Like not good.
What? Did you start it without nothing on? I ain't gonna do it.
Right back off. He ain't gonna do too much, you know. Probably turn right back out though.
It probably gonna get too much air in it or something.
You can try, you ain't gonna fuck shit up. What is it, straight pipe right now?
Nah, it ain't got no pipe on it.
It might stay running.
Yeah, I had to take over.
It ain't got no
Like,
pipe.
look, this the most they gonna happen. The most they gonna happen, it gonna stall out.
What you think they were gonna do?
Cut the air to fuel ratio off, you know what I'm saying?
It ain't got no pipe right there or at the back.
Start that up, see how loud that bitch is. Alright, put the gas in.
I'm gonna see. Did you start yours up like this?
Yeah, nah.
You had the pipe. When you start?
Hey, you good though. You ain't put no tune or nothing on it yet. Nothing.
You started with no pipe on it?
Huh?
You started with no pipe on it?
No.
You ain't do none of that?
Huh?
I'm finna just see what they gonna do.
The most they gonna do turn right back off. See. Crank it up. Oh, here they are.
Oh, no.
Then we gonna start doing bull.
No fool. That didn't sound too good.
I remember when you had
I'm finna turn it off. It ain't sound too good.
Dirt bike.
That just said, that just sound like he got water. Sound like he got water in there, Jonathan. Are we back? As y'all can see, we got both pipes on. We got both pipes on. I said poke. We finna get ready to put the muffler part on, but I'm finna get y'all a little cold start of it with just the straight pipe. The pipe came off. Yo. Man, that joint is stupid loud.
That just sound good. Hey, you know what though? I think you do. I think it is supposed to come with a clamp on that.
Nah, the other dude.
Slip on, I had the boat back there.
Yeah, you gonna have the boat back there. He ain't got the boat on. So it just really slipped out. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that joint is stupid loud.
I ain't gonna lie, that hoe, boy, if you getting the gas on that hoe, oh my, bro, that hoe. I ain't gonna lie, that hoe. I ain't even
my God.
That hoe loud, fool. That shit sound
Boy.
good too, though. I ain't gonna lie, it sound aggressive a little bit.
Oh my God, that joint is retarded loud.
That joint got hotter already.
On me. I'm back. I don't know why I keep saying it. But y'all see, man, we got the full monster exhaust on it, man. We still gotta put the pedal command and stuff on. But besides all that, man, I don't even gotta show all that. Besides all that, we got everything on. We just gotta put the pedal command in the intake. And we gonna be, you heard me? Big 3! You feel me? But I'm finna get y'all a little cold start. This drink. So let my boy One crank it up. This cold start the monster exhaust. Full system. See what it sounds like. Y'all know what it just sound like? A monster. A monster. Y'all see this smile on my face, man? This ain't no average smile. This a big smile. You hear me? Man, that just sound like a monster. We gotta, well, we finna get ready to put the pedal commander and intake on it. And yeah, man, they're gonna be it. I'm gonna probably get y'all a little drive by, you know. I ain't trying to, you know, disturb the neighbors, cause, you know, I ain't gonna let that junk is kinda loud, gonna hurt your ear, you hear me? They gonna hear that junk through that house, for real. They gonna call the police on me for real this time, no count. But yeah, I might get y'all one little pull through or whatever. Let y'all see how they junk sound and run and look and all that, you feel me? But I'm gonna wait till a little bit later cause it's still early in the morning. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the whole video, man. Yeah, man, in the comments below, man, let me know how y'all like this and let me know how y'all like the new look, the new sound, you hear me? Everything, you feel me? Boy, Big 3 not stock no more, bro. Like, man, I can't wait to go ride, boy. Can't wait to drop these new videos, new content, all that for y'all about this thing, man. So, y'all stay tuned, though. We back. The Raptor 700 finally done. I just added my lure links back in, just so this can be sent back sexy. But, we got the, hold up. I couldn't put the intake in. I got about a whole thing. I couldn't put the intake in because I got about a whole intake box and everything for it. But y'all can see this the pedal commander. And they go to intake. Couldn't put it in because you gotta have the whole box, whatever. So I really just waste some money on that when I could have just went on about the whole dang kit. Now I gotta spend $300 and some dollars to get the whole kit. But it's cool or whatever. I have a spare filter, but here go the whole setup. The Big 3, man, got the Big 3 on it. Feel me? They go this monsters out there. I see it mess it on, man. It looks so good. This thing look good. But I ain't finna go too crazy on them. Just finna make sure everything run right on it. Finna just go up the road and back down and make sure the gear is shifting good or whatever. But this new look, y'all stay tuned cause like I said, man, more forward content finna come. My boy got the Empire exhaust, so you know we gotta get some runs and know we gotta get some 1v1s. You hear me? So y'all gonna see a bunch of that. Y'all gonna see a bunch of like comparison on, you know what I'm saying, sound, everything. So y'all can know what y'all wanna get when y'all trying to choose between a Monster Empire. But besides all that, man, I'm finna show y'all, I'm finna see if it's running right, and we're gonna call it a day. Crank it bad, baby. Y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know me, man. That last video was wicked, man. When I was riding his Empire's off, bro, the man got crazy with me, bro. I don't know what's wrong with this man, bro. Like him, man, I don't tell me, I don't hear me. I leave on that nigga.
Man, bro, get out my face, bro. Hold on, bro. I'm finna beat your ass. Bro, what's up? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Don't touch me no more, bro. Don't touch me no more, bro. Don't touch me no more, bro.
I'm just talking, man, but I ain't want to go too crazy. I ain't got time to hear no for mouth my name or mouth or whatever. But y'all stay tuned for that video. It's coming soon, man. My boy gonna get wicked on these things, man. We're gonna be doing some games. We finna. Hey, I got y'all, bro. Got y'all, bro. Y'all just stay tuned. But besides all that, man, I'm finna wrap it up. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Y'all keep running me up. Road to 5K. Road to 5K. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 5K. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know how much, but y'all just stay tuned for that. And yeah, man, appreciate y'all. I'm out. You hear me?
Stand on, just grow up and be some.